Number 5. In 1924, 2 men died while cleaning a cargo tank due to gas fumes. At the time, in order to pay respect, it was a tradition to bury the 2 men at sea. A few days after their burial, the reflection of the 2 men's faces were clearly seen in the water. At the time, the captain of the ship ordered a photograph to be taken. Number 4. Hook Island Sea Monster. A man and his wife were once off the coast of Stonehaven Bay when they both spotted a massive black spot floating underwater. They both described it as a giant tadpole-like creature which measured anywhere from 70 to 80 feet long. This photo was taken on December 12, 1964. Number 3. The Black Knight Satellite. This one may be interesting for those who are deeply passionate in extraterrestrial beings. In 1899, famous scientist Nikola Tesla captured radio waves that was believed to be coming from outer space. A picture was later taken by the US Air Force, which was supposed to prove the existence of an alien satellite that may have been orbiting Earth for several thousands of years. Number 2. This is a picture taken by the Apollo 17 on its last flight to the moon. This picture supposedly claims that there may have been pyramids positioned on the dark side of the moon. Number 1. Freddy Jackson. What we have here in this picture is Freddy Jackson, who served as a pilot during World War I. Unfortunately, he was killed by an airplane propeller while trying to maintain it. Several days later after his death, his squadron decided to take a picture together. When the picture was finally developed, Freddy mysteriously showed up in the picture. There's only one spooky theory that claims that during Freddy's accident, his spirit may have been unaware of his death, and therefore, Freddy showed up in this mysterious picture. This video was brought to you by Top 5 Unknowns. Please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel, follow us on Twitter at Top 5 Unknowns, and click on the videos that is posted right here.